Task number 6, conclusion. In this room, we focused on the most practical commands for accessing a networked system over the command line. We intentionally omitted a few common commands as we didn't see a real value for including them in a beginner room. We mentioned them below so that you know that the command line can be used for other tasks. chk check the file system and disk volumes for errors and bad sectors. Driver query displays a list of installed device drivers. sfc/scan now scans system files for corruption and repairs them if possible. It is important to remember all the commands covered in the previous tasks. Moreover, it is equally important to know that /? can be used with most commands to display a help page. In this room, we used the command more in two ways. In this room, we used the command more in two ways. Display text files, more and then the name of the text file, and then pipe long output to view it page by page. So here's some command like this one, pipe more. Equipped with this knowledge, we now know how to display the page, the help page of a new command, and how to display long output one page at a time. Now that you know the Windows command line, it is time to move to the Windows PowerShell room. Answer the questions below. The command shutdown /s can shut down a system. What is the command you can use to restart a system? Restart, shutdown, and then R, I will presume. What command can you use to abort a scheduled system shutdown? Shutdown, abort, A. All right, cool. It looks pretty fun. And also it's fun, the sound that you make when you successfully hit one correct answer. I have to see if I can block that. Anyway, let's continue. Right, you can share your completed room. We have a streak of 2 days. Continue, perfect. Next room is Windows PowerShell, as we read in the conclusions. So see you in Windows PowerShell.